Video games, although unrealistic at times, are however great models for basic physics. In our videos, we will show these principles. Enjoy!
Bang! Boom! You suck! Boom! 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 Your mama! Nope. 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 Holy! Nope.
Here we have an example of Newton's first law, which states, an object in motion stays in motion and an object in rest stays in rest unless acted upon by an outside force.
Boom.
Based on our source, Bungie.net, the Ghost has a max speed of 25.3 meters a second and a mass of 560 kilograms, while the Warthog has a max speed of 34.7 meters a second and its mass is 3,000 kilograms. We know, based on conservation of momentum, that momentum before equals momentum after. At the end of the collision, their masses combined. We can then solve for the final velocity of the newly formed object to be negative 25.3 meters a second, thus moving it to the left.
Newton's second law basically states that force equals mass times acceleration. In this next clip, we will show Newton's second law.
I'm gonna punch you. I'm gonna punch you. I'm gonna punch you. Boom. I punched you.
Based on our formula, F equals ma, to find acceleration we will need to use a motion equation. We know initial velocity equals 0 meters a second, and the time it takes from the beginning of the Spartan's punch to the end is 0.2 seconds. The displacement is the distance from the two, which is 0.44 meters. Thus, using our equation, we can find our acceleration. If you notice in the free body diagram, there are equal forces in the y, and in the x there is only one force, the force of the punch. In this scenario, we will neglect air resistance. The mass of the Spartan punching, is based on Bungie.net, is 598.6 kilograms. And since we have acceleration, we can calculate the force, which is 13,169.2 newtons.
Newton's third law states that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. This will be shown in our next example.
Choo!
According to Newton's third law, in this case, the action is the firing of the bullet, and the reaction is the recoil of the cannon. This is shown through the free body diagram above.
Choo!
In this next video, we will prove that if you neglect air resistance, objects will hit at the same time. This is because acceleration due to gravity is the same for all objects regardless of mass.
Yay! Aww. Down.